Well, I've got the Jeep all ripped apart. Trying to figure out why my back windows have never worked. Everything is very, very dirty. Of course. I'm just cleaning up a bit and trying to find this electrical problem, which I found. It turned out that the clip back here was not... It was out. Not even attached. So I put that back in and I'm going to start the Jeep and see if we get some action on these back windows of mine. Okay, so power. Boogers joined me in the back seat here. Oh, look at that. My back windows work. I'm a happy camper. There. That's one massive issue that I needed solved. Apparently the dogs think we're going for a ride.
Oh my god, you're sitting on him! I'm just sitting on his foot. He's out over here.
Crazy dogs. Well, time to put this all back together now after I clean it out.